voice. Hey, what's up? It's Take here. Welcome back to my weekly vlog. So let's talk about what I've done this week. I've been trying to upgrade the video quality because I wanted to get input through an HDMI cable, but the quality was significantly low because of the 8-bit. I couldn't get 10-bit input, and I'm currently using a Fujifilm X-T4. It supports output 10-bit output, but my HDMI cable wasn't supporting it. So I wanted to get YUV 4x2x2 and 10-bit. So I decided to buy Sony's DLC HX15XF, which is here. And I managed to get a 10-bit input, which is great. So here's the result. I'm so happy with it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay. And I worked on the mobile version and web app, and I've just released the Vue 18, which has some new features. The first one is to support paste HTML as Markdown. This would be very useful when you are searching, you are copying, you're pasting the information from the web page to Inkdrop. So let's give you a demo. So let's create a new node and paste demo. And so let's say you are searching for the solution on Stack Overflow, and you wanna copy and paste these snippets, and let's paste them here. Boom. So you get code blocks and headings automatically converted from the HTML to Markdown, which is great. So what's great is that it also detects the code block language, something like that. So this code block has JavaScript, and that's because Inkdrop can detect the language in the code block on Stack Overflow. And because Stack Overflow has the language names in their class name in HTML, so it can be detected. And but PY isn't detected as Python, so you have to fix it. But it works mostly pretty well. Okay, and the second one is paste images from the clipboard, which is also useful when you copy the image from web. So let's copy and paste it. It works. Yeah, it's so useful. And these are small improvements on editor header bar. It's because the editor header bar is here, and it wasn't visible on the preview mode, and now it's now visible. So you can see which tags are assigned to nodes while you viewing in the preview mode. Okay. I'm currently considering a new feature that is called dynamic toolbar. It's so the toolbar is here. Oops. So the toolbar is here, and it helps you input Markdown like so, and so it's useful. But when you wanna edit links, it's annoying, right? So it's annoying to input links in Markdown, and so I'd like to improve the experience by adding a dynamic toolbar. It's so when the caret is in the link, the toolbar buttons would be changed to have specific buttons for links, such as open link or change title, change URL, like so. So you don't have to select like this. You don't have to select text and replace the text URL. So I guess it significantly improves. I personally want it. Okay, the next up is desk upgrade. This week I've been working on upgrading my desk setup, and it's a minor upgrade, but so I'm sitting on the Aeron Chair, and I've been using it for 7 or 8 years now, and it's quite old, and it's broken like this, and so the posture support, posture fit support has quite some sunburn, a lot of sunburn. So you can see it's a white gray color, and it's cracked. So I wanted to replace it. My chair's guarantee is still valid, but it would take a long time to fix it. You have to send your chair to them, and you have to wait for the fix finished. So you can use it while it's being repaired. So I decided to do it myself. And here's the result. So yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful now. It took about an hour. So maybe you can try it if you need it. And I attached the casters to my desk. So I wanted casters on my desk, because it allows you to access the cables behind the desk by moving the desk. So it makes so easy. It makes so easy to access the cables. So so like this. So it's very smooth. So here is the caster. Yeah, so it can so quite easily to move, and you can get access to the cables, which is awesome. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm so sleepy today because my daughter was crying so hard last night. So it was so intense. Raising a baby is tough. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a productive day.